Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be discussing how I was able to achieve this gloss effect on the picture that we printed of our cat. Let's get into it. Alright, so here in Flexi we have the image of the cat loaded in there. So the first thing we want to do is distinguish exactly where we want the gloss to be placed, and that's right on top of the eyes. So to do so, we need to go to the freehand tool here, click on that, and we'll zoom into the eyes so we get a little bit better view of it. And then we want to click and drag all the way around the eyes, and you'll see a little red line is being left behind where we're dragging. And then when we get back to the start, just release, and then that created that circle. And we'll do the same thing over here. Just click and drag all the way around it. Get back to the beginning and release. So that then now has our spots where we want the varnish to be placed. So in order to set that up, we'll go ahead and turn the picture off, and we'll go to our varnish layer. And under objects, we'll be able to click on each one of them, and we want to set it to a solid fill, and then we want it to also be set to a spot varnish 100. We'll go ahead and select the next one, same thing, solid fill, spot varnish 100, it's already set, and that is it with those. So then we'll go ahead and turn the picture back on. And we'll be able to see by cycling the picture on and off that these are going to be right on top of the eyes. And we could actually move this up to place it on top, so we'll be able to see that as well. So we'll go ahead and move that back down. So the next thing that we want to do is send it over to Vertilith. And the one that we want to send it over the file or the printed environment, we want to do white plus CMYK plus varnish. That will then lay the white down first, and then do CMYK on top of that, and then also put the varnish on top of the CMYK, which will give it a lot more of a glossy appearance by doing that way. So we'll go ahead and hit send. So now over here in Vertilith, we want to go ahead and make sure that everything came through properly. So we'll go ahead and double click on this guy, and this will bring up where we can edit it. And let's get to where we can see the eyes very well. So under printer profile, this is where we're going to be controlling our white and our varnish. So we have it set so uncolored pixels of specified densities. That's going to put white down underneath the CMYK first, and it's going to put white down on the entire thing. In order to see that clearly, we can go ahead and turn off varnish and then turn off color. And then as you can see, solid black box, this then is going to be putting white under the entire picture. Also, if we turned off white and color and leaving only varnish, we have our varnish set to spot color, and so those two spots where the eyes are, this is the only spot that we're going to be getting varnish laid down. And when we turn all three of them back on, another way to check that is by zooming in. You have these vertical lines right here. This is your white layer, and as you can see, the white is only in the main areas. But we also have in the eyes vertical and horizontal lines. So the horizontal lines represents where the varnish is going to be laid down. So you can see that the horizontal lines are only over where the eyes are. And so when we send this over to the printer, that will then put the varnish in the correct spots. So we'll hit save. And the next thing we do is submit to the printer, and it'll print. So that is one of the ways to put varnish within a picture. There are quite a few different ways of doing this, and we'll be going over a couple more of those in future videos. If you have any comments, any questions, please post those below. And as always, please like and subscribe. All right, have a great day.